Did you know that in the Irish language we actually don't have one word for yes or one word for no like we do in English? In the Irish language we actually answer the verb. But however, a lot of people think that Sha is yes and Neil is no, and I'll tell you why. So for example, if you're speaking in Irish, you would say, did you go to the shop? And you would answer, I went or I didn't go, rather than one yes or one no. In Irish, this looks like, An tu chuig an siopa, did you go to the shop? Hua, I went, or Niaka, I didn't go. Or you can say Huig, it's pronounced different in different dialects. So the reason people think that Sha is yes and Neil is no is because they just answer some of the common verbs that we use. So on will to is are you, and to is yes, Neil is no. On Munterhu, are you a teacher? Sha is yes, Niha is no. They have a different yes and no for every verb. Sounds complicated, you do get used to it after a while, especially when you just learn everyday phrases. You really start to get the hang of it. All for More Gaeilge, and we also do a free newsletter with free lessons and goodies every single week. You can sign up on the profile. Feck me go luathu, I'll see you soon, agus slán go fóill, bye for now.